Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and man, am I excited to get the FMS Pitts up in the air today. It's been a little while, and it is kind of windy today. It is really nice and warm, but we do have the wind again, and in fact, I'm not able to fly in an area that I'm relatively used to. The church parking lot was busy, and there's guys playing cricket, so we're up here at the front where the soccer goals are, and I think I'm pretty comfortable with the pits being able to land precise enough to not worry about all these goals. There is a lot of goals up here, but anyways, we're going to be able to fly the FMS pits up here and just have a little bit of fun, but we're going to have to make sure we stay clear of all the goals. Let's do it. Alright guys, that wind is coming out of the south, and we're going to take off that direction, of course. You can see my flying space is basically from that goal right there. It looks like it's number 6 to those porta-johns, that tree right there, and that mound of dirt. So it's kind of tight, but on the other hand, everything's kind of out of the way for the area that I'm used to flying in. All right, I got safe turned off, and we're gonna put this up. Let's do it. You can see the wind just lifted it right up into the air. The other thing I might have to look out, there's a lamp post here. You guys know me on lamp posts. We got the lamp post for the ball diamonds. You can see I'm flying right over number 6 down there, and it looks like I'm turning pretty clean, I think. I'm really not sure how close I was to that lamp, but you know me, I can't get. Boy, this wind just picked up like something fierce. The airplane is floating in this wind. I was hoping, with it being so nice out, that I was going to be able to bring out a few airplanes and fly, but with it so windy, I was like, well, we'll get 1 or 2 flights in with the pits and be done. There, it's just kind of hanging in the wind now. Trying to make sure, just absolutely make sure that I don't get anywhere close to that lamp. That one I don't want to hit for sure. Don't want to hit any of them, but that one would probably cost me quite a bit of money to fix. So I have no idea what it costs to fix a lamp for a ball diamond, but I'm sure it isn't cheap. She is flying good in this wind even. Nice big circle. There we go, 3/4 roll out. Something vibrating on it a little bit. She still climbed on that roll. I'm trying to get it to settle down and do a nice roll down low, but you can see the wind is just making it rise up. Flirting down low here. All right, we're gonna bring this in because I don't like the way that sounds. One nice thing about the wind is gonna help me settle it down right here in front of me. Boy, that was a beautiful landing. I don't remember anything being wrong with the airplane. So we'll set it down. Let's wind it up while I hold it and see if I can see something vibrating. Throttle cut on. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but the nose cone has come loose on me. So good save. Glad I got it down before it came off. That would have been pretty bad. Wouldn't have been very happy about that, of course. We only had 40 seconds left on the timer, so we didn't miss out on too much of the flight, but yeah, that's it. I'm glad we got that down just in time. So guys, it's important to be safe with your RC. If you hear something funny, get it on the ground safely and take it home in one piece so you can fix it and fly it again. And enjoy this hobby, guys. I just love flying RC airplanes, and I love sharing it with you guys. I appreciate all your support. And big thanks to the Lord for a beautiful day, even though it's windy. I'm having fun today. We've been busy around the house, painting and moving furniture and all kinds of stuff. But I got out here and had a good time flying, and I'm ready to go do some more work. But guys, until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.